are at Govind Dosa, which is a very famous street food stall in Hyderabad, in the old city of Hyderabad. And Govind here is known for all kinds of special dosas that he makes. Traditionally, dosa is kind of like a crepe made with a mixture of rice and white lentils, but it's eaten at breakfast, but it's become so popular over the last few years that across the country it's eaten pretty much through the day. So Govind is known for some of the special dosas that he makes. In the filling in the middle of the dosa, apart from the general potatoes that is found in most parts of the country, what he puts is semolina. And that semolina is what gives a little body to the filling inside, and then he loads it up with onions and, in case you want, then a blob of butter and a whole lot of other spices, and that's what makes Govind Dosa's dosa very special.